Hello everyone, it's Heather from Heather Travels, and I'm here today to give you a tour of our room at the Hampton Inn Suites in Lincoln, Nebraska at the airport. I will point out that as we were driving here, there was another Hampton Inn Suites about 10 miles closer to Omaha than this one, but this is the one next to the Lincoln Airport. I'll show you outside first. Just want to show you out in the hall here. We picked our own room. It gave us, because they originally gave us something on the second floor and I wanted to be on the fourth floor. We're on 406, and as you can see, our room is sealed with the Clean Stay seal. Again, we used our digital key, so we didn't even have to go to the front desk, and we used the Hilton app to check in. We used my phone to unlock the door. This is a pretty standard Hampton Inn setup that we've seen before. The kids have been in the car for 8 hours, so they're happy to be on their phones. We've got the sliding door that is one door for both the closet and the bathroom. And then in here is the bathroom. And it's a nice bathroom. It's got this nice wide plank wood floor. We've seen this exact Hampton Inn setup many times in the past. Nice big mirror. They've got the Hilton Clean Stay, saying that they'll only provide housekeeping if we request it, and that they've cleaned and disinfected for our comfort and protection. We've got plenty of towels. We're only here one night. Got a nice autumn leaf picture over the toilet. And we have the nice curved shower rod combination tub shower. Some hooks here on the wall, and we've got the big luggage because we're on the first night of a 10-night trip. And so then we have this big mirror here, and then we've got 2 queen beds. And sorry, that was not like that. That was me checking for bed bugs like I always do. So 2 queen beds. We've got these nice rolling ottomans here, which are nice for sitting on and setting our luggage on. Nice big desk area here, and the TV. That's our fan that we brought with us. And on this side, there's a coffee maker there and an ice bucket. On this side is these like rack drawers. And on this side is a fridge. And they have the TV remote in a plastic bag. And then there's a desk over here with a desk lamp and a desk chair. And we have a view of, I don't think we have a very nice view. Hold on. Yeah, well, it's not bad. It's just an office building, a couple other hotels over there, and parking lot. We're looking out the back here. So the Interstate 80 is running over there. One unfortunate thing about the location of this property is there's not a lot of restaurants around here, despite the fact that it's right by the airport. All I'm seeing is like a Subway, a McDonald's, and like some local Mexican place. So I might have to go a different exit to get some dinner for us tonight. And that is our room at the Hampton Inn. It's a pretty standard Hampton room. We're always very happy with these properties. We're happy with the Hilton Clean program that they're using during the pandemic. Didn't have to have any contact with any people when we checked in. I'll have to see if they have the same kind of grab-and-go breakfast situation that we had at our stay in Wisconsin Dells recently. And other than that, that's our room. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to this channel if you want to see more room tours and travel content like this. Thank you everyone for joining. Safe travels.